Yo, what's up guys? This is just a little quick intro to the catch and cook for Surf Redtail Perch. Yeah, because last night I wasn't planning on doing it, but you know, it just came on top of my mind, so I just decided a little quick and easy Asian style catch and cook for redtail perch fishing, or not fishing, but redtail perch. So yeah, you know, it's fast and easy. You know, in these Asian packages, you can find it in mostly anywhere near your local Asian grocery stores. So yeah, have fun, you know, enjoy it, you know. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment and share it. Show me some support, show me some love, and I'll do the same back to you guys with more future more videos in the future. So until then, catch you guys later. Enjoy this catch and cook. Alright guys, so I'm back from fishing and I caught 3 perch, the one that I showed you guys earlier. I already scaled them, you know, so basically I'm gonna do a little catch and cook. I already scaled them, so I'm just gut them and then show you guys how I do a catch and cook on these, how I cook them. It's gonna be more like a Asian style after frying, Asian style seasoning after frying. So yeah, catch you guys, stay and watch. I'm gonna pick the biggest one. Gotta be this guy, my biggest one, I think. Maybe 2 other ones. I'll gut them in a bit. Under the water. Ooh, this guy, this fish been eating good. Pull my shirt more. Super healthy fish. Very, very healthy. that's it. That's how you do it. Super healthy fish. For me, I don't want the head, so I'll cut the head off. I don't want the head and the tail. Alright guys, step 2, I'll be using eggs to make a little batter for my fish so it won't get stuck on the pan when I'm frying it. So yeah. Here's my fish. Alright. Ouch. Alright, I'm gonna let this fish. Alright, so you want the pan, you want the oil to be boiling, and then you put the fish in. That way you can cook it better. Alright guys, so the oil is about to be ready, so I'm gonna just season it with some salt, black pepper, and some little some of these. Tastes really good. And then this will be for my I'll show you guys what is it later when when I'm after frying it. This will be used on it after I fry it. Salt on both sides, in the middle. Same thing for black pepper. Yeah. These are what makes a difference. Well, this and the other one. This and this one right here. But I'll show you guys what this is later. But this is a pretty good one. Alright. Alright, pan is pretty hot. Well, it's pretty hot. and reduce it a little bit. Hope it didn't see me. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little taste test on it. That is super good. Ooh, fall off. Right off, fresh off the ocean. You guys gotta try this Asian style seasoning for this Captain Cook. Yeah, this bomb tastes super good. Remember why it's used? Meant for lobster, isn't it? This is just the same thing, but it's more like the mild side, and this is more like the spicy side. But yeah, thanks for watching. Tastes super good. You know, I'm Asian. I gotta give my oh wait, hold on. You know you're Asian when you gotta have this pepper sauce right here. That's what you gotta have, especially when you're eating fish, fried fish. Alright, let's do it. I already did some taste tests. Tastes pretty good, but can't go wrong with this. I'm gonna do a taste test of this now, which I think is gonna be, which I know it's gonna be even better. This is a must-have when you're eating fried fish with these seasonings. Well, that's it guys. You know, I'm very tired. I'm gonna eat this up with rice, you know, Asian style. If you like this, try to do it at home. You know, I'm pretty sure you'll like it too. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share it, comment, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.